guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 9 of our 30 day of smoothie challenge, and today I was craving something chocolatey, so that's what we are going to make today. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you around. So yeah, let's get started. So first ingredient which we are using today is banana. This will keep you full and make our smoothie creamy. Next up, I'm adding 2 dates, and this one is considered as a natural sweetener and it's much better option than your regular cane sugar. Next up, I'm using 1 cup of cashew nut to add little texture and little nutty flavor to my smoothie, and if you wish to, you can also use hazelnut instead of cashew nuts. Next up, going to add vanilla extract for that flavor. Next up, I'm using cacao powder. You can also use cocoa powder if you wish to, because this will give the chocolatey flavor which I am craving today. Next up, I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon and salt to enhance the flavor, and cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties and it balances the blood sugar level. Then I'm going to add the hemp hearts, and this one is superfood and it takes care of your protein intake. And lastly, to blend everything together, I'm using soy milk, but you can use any plant milk of your choice. This one exactly tastes like chocolate milkshake, but yeah, it's much healthier version of it. So yeah guys, that was all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and you are going to recreate this smoothie recipe, and if you did so, don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new healthy smoothie recipe. Until then, bye.